In this video, I am going to show you two strategies that will impress your opponent. According to the chess rule, white will be the first. So, I am taking a pawn in front of king and moving it to e4. The opponent might even take a same pawn and moves it to e5. My next move will be a bishop to f4. The opponent might take and pawn and place it to b6. My next important move will be a queen to d5. In order to take my queen, the opponent might take a knight and place it in g6 in order to take my queen in next move. But my move is queen directly to a pawn, taking a pawn, so that there is a direct check here to the king. The king might take my queen, but there is a direct check even from the bishop. So the king can't move here and even he can't go here also. So it's a checkmate. Second strategy. Let's move on a pawn which is in front of king to e4. The opponent might even take a pawn to e5. Then my next move will be queen to d5. The opponent might take a king to next e7. Then I will take a queen and then I'll take his free pawn. Then there is a direct check here. The king cannot move anywhere. It's a checkmate.